Hello all, welcome to my channel. So recently my 2004 Chevy Tahoe with a 5.3 liter flex fuel engine has incurred a problem with kind of a hesitance in the idle. Hooking the scanner up to the OBD2 port and turning the ignition on shows me a code for a mass airflow sensor. As you can see, I have P0101 code. It is a generic code for mass or volume airflow circuit performance, the range. So what I'm going to do first is try to clean it before I even think about replacing it. After opening your hood, you should see something similar to this. And before we get started, I will show you the first thing it is. This is a mass airflow sensor. Okay, and what we're going to first want to do is grab an 8mm socket or ratchet or wrench. I prefer ratcheting wrench. You're going to want to disconnect the 8mm battery cable. Move it so it's not touching. They say you should always do that before touching any of the sensors. Alright, so the next thing we're going to want to do is either grab a flathead screwdriver, loosen up this bolt and this bolt. And just a little tip here, as you can see, this little line, as you unscrew this screw, it'll take the clamp and it'll move that metal band. Make sure you don't turn it so far that the metal band comes out from where the screws. And you'll just have a little bit more of a pain in the butt trying to fix it. So then you should be able just to wiggle this off. I'm actually going to disconnect it. So as you can see here, sometimes this will be a little hard to get off. And I'm going to take a flathead screwdriver and go right around through here and just kind of maybe loosen it up just a little bit. Just like that. So once you separate the mass airflow sensor from the intake tube here, I always like to pop this back out. It's going to look something like this. And it doesn't look too dirty there. But if you look in here, you see the little wire down here, and you'll see two little wires at the top. Those are what you're going to want to be cleaning. While you're at it, you might as well clean that little, I believe this is the air intake sensor right there. Do not touch these wires with your hands. What I like to use to clean it is a mass airflow sensor cleaner. Make sure you get one actual mass airflow sensor cleaner. Anyways, what you're going to do is just take this cleaner here and clean that wire there. And make sure you spray and clean all those wires off there. I also like to try to clean the screen off in the back and just kind of clean this off. It's not like you're going to need much of it. Chances are you're not going to be doing this every year. And if you're anything like me, you'll probably lose the can of cleaner before you have to do it again, or you will lose the can of cleaner. So now all we have to do is put this all back together. If you have forgotten which way yours goes, or if you have any question on it, you'll look, there'll always be a flow arrow. As you can see, my arrow is pointing towards the motor, and that's the way you're going to want it. Now once you have it back into place, just take your screwdriver and tighten them back up. Now we've got those two tightened back up. Make sure it's nice and sealed all the way around the intake tube and your lid of your air cleaner, and also the air intake. Make sure that that is all the way around, tightened up. Don't over crank it down. After that, plug your sensor back in. Come over your negative battery cable. Reconnect it. Then you're done. You should be able to start your vehicle. Hopefully your code goes away. If not, it's the same way to replace it, just without cleaning it. Hope this guy's helped. If it does, please like and subscribe. Have a great day.